Welcome to the Kenya School of Technology Studies. Pastry. We look at the marble cake. I'm Stephen Kivule. The course objective is, at the end of this course, you'll be able to identify the commodities for marble cake and successfully make and bake a marble cake. Introduction to marble cake. The question is, what is a marble cake? It is a cake where chocolate has been introduced to one part of the ingredients of a cake. Like the way you see here, when you introduce chocolate, the color is dark chocolate within that part of the mixture where you have added the chocolate. You can use chocolate bar or just the drinking chocolate powder to make the dark chocolate paste. A chocolate bar is more darker and it is more preferred. It is called a marble cake because in the preparation process, the batter is divided into two parts and chocolate is added to one part, so that at the end you have light and dark chocolate paste. Then light part is alternated with dark in the tinning process to marble. Marbling is that process of alternating the dark paste with the chocolate paste within the tinning process. Therefore, after baking, the cake has light and dark and the chocolate color. Marble cake preparation. The ingredients for marble cake are wheat flour, butter or margarine, castor sugar, fresh milk, eggs, chocolate, baking powder, vanilla essence. The quantities of the ingredients depend on the size of the chocolate cake, marble cake you want to make. But the ratio of wheat flour to butter or margarine, castor sugar and fresh milk should be 2:1. So when you have 250 grams wheat flour, you require 125 grams butter or margarine, 125 grams castor sugar, 125 milliliters fresh milk, 3 to 4 eggs, 10 grams of chocolate, 1 teaspoon level baking powder, and some drops of vanilla essence. So we proceed the method for marble cake. First, you are required to put on the oven to heat up to 100 degrees Celsius, a temperature which is suitable for cake baking. And this you do in advance before you start with the rest of the preparation, so that by the time you finish with the preparation, the oven is at that 180 degrees Celsius, suitable for cake baking. You are also required to grease the baking tin, so that at the end of your preparation, the cake will be well greased in the inside and the cake will not stick in the cooking process, the baking process. And then you start with your preparation by creaming sugar and margarine till it is smooth. Then you add to your paste the beaten egg. You need to break each egg separately, confirming that you don't use a bad egg. And then you add to the mixture gradually and cream well. Then sieve the flour with baking powder to aerate. Aerating increases the level of air which is in the flour and is a very important ingredient for increasing the volume of the mixture, and also it softens the mixture. So you need to sieve, ensuring that you sieve well, and then the level of air within the flour will increase and will improve in the cake preparation and baking process. Then add the flour gradually and fold into a smooth and uniform batter. Then add milk and mix to a smooth consistency so that it is in a dripping consistency. Add vanilla essence and mix in. Divide the batter into 2 parts and mix one with the chocolate, mixing well. Spread the mixture in the baking tin, starting with the light, followed by the dark chocolate paste to form 3 to 4 layers within the tin. But make sure that you don't fill the tin so much. It should be half full, after alternating the different colors of the paste. Bake in the middle of the oven for 30 minutes. When you are placing the tin within the oven, you should ensure that it is in the middle of the oven so that circulation of air for baking process is adequate. If you place the tin close or touching the walls of the oven, you find the circulation will not be even in all sides, and the cake may overcook one side before the other side is ready. So after the 30 minutes, you will confirm that the cake is done by piercing with a fork. If the fork gets in or goes in easily, then the cake is ready. If it goes in with difficulties, then the cake is not ready and you need to allow more time for baking. After testing for doneness, remove when you're ready and let it cool down, and then you serve cold as dessert. That is the end of the lesson.